Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a stunning 5-bedroom detached new build family home. This is number 168, that's 168 Dargate Road, and of course you've got a beautiful finish throughout with this one and plenty of added bonuses and features to take a look at as we go through today's tour. Now, coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space, you're led along the tiles straight through into this beautiful open planned kitchen and dining area here to the rear of the property. You've got the bifolding doors giving you some amazing views across the rear garden and across the fields, and of course you've got that beautiful finish with the kitchen itself giving you a full range of fitted appliances, as well as that beautiful open, light and bright and airy aspect. The garden itself is a wonderful amount of space. You've got that decking area here just coming up against the property itself, and then of course the garden itself is in slight tiered levels to give you a wonderful separation between the spaces. So just off of the main kitchen and dining area here, you can see that we've got a fantastic amount of reception space to the front. You've got the dual aspect here with the window at the front there, the window at the side, and again plenty of space in here to arrange your furniture in any way that you see fit. Now, the nice thing about this property is everything has been taken into account with regards to modern living, and you have plenty of storage options throughout. On the ground floor of the property, it's worth noting that you do have underfloor heating throughout as well. Coming through just to the side here, you can see that we've got a fantastic ground floor wet room here, and of course you've got the utility room just around the corner. What we'll do next is we'll go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms that we have with the property, and in particular the stunning balconies that we have to the rear. So here we are on the first floor of the property, where we're greeted by this vast expanse of landing space, and just on the left hand side here we come across the bedroom here with the first of the balconies to the rear. Now, this is a beautiful double-sized bedroom with of course the balcony access just at the back there, and of course you'll see that we've got both the ensuite and the dressing room here with this property. So just coming across to the rear, you can see that we've got the bifolding door access out onto the balcony, beautiful views to the rear, and of course nice view over that rear garden. First, we'll take a look at the ensuite bath and shower room here. You can see that we've got the independent bath there on the left hand side with the loo and the sink unit, and then of course we've got that fantastic walk-in shower as well, and the finish here, just as we've seen throughout the rest of the property, is absolutely gorgeous. Next room that we'll go through and take a look at is the dressing room, which is a proper sized dressing room. Of course, you always come across a property that advertises a dressing room and it's just not that big, but here we've got a wonderful amount of space to use. So we'll go through now and continue looking at the bedrooms. We'll come back out onto the landing space here, absolutely brilliant amount of space, and we'll come through and take a look at the 2 bedrooms to the front. Now, both of these bedrooms are double size. Of course, with this one you can see really strategically placed power sockets there with the radiator at the end just underneath that window, again letting all of that natural light flood through, and again the emphasis on making this an easy property to work with. No need to do anything whatsoever other than move straight in and enjoy is really abundant here. So coming back out onto the landing, we'll come through and take a look at the next bedroom. Again, wonderful double-sized room, again very similar to the one that we've just been in, but slightly larger, and of course you can see that again we've got fantastic strategic placement of the plug sockets there, and again a little bit of storage option here too. So with this one here, you can see that we've got the eave storage. You could do a lot with this space. It's really convenient, very handy to have, and it's nice to see that every little nook and cranny has been used with the property. So coming back out to the landing, we'll take a right now, take a look at the main family bathroom that services those 2 bedrooms there, and of course then we'll go upstairs and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. So here we are on the top floor, and the first thing that we'll take a look at here is the bedroom to the rear with the balcony access. Now, what's quite nice about the layout up here is you could easily use this space either as a bedroom or as an absolutely incredible study space, or perhaps small reception room. Because of the views and the balcony, again, it makes this space so versatile to use, and again gives you plenty of options for living accommodation. Coming through across the small landing space here that we have on the top floor, we'll come through to the last of the bedrooms. Beautiful sized room here again, with that window there at the front, letting all of that natural light flood through, and plenty of plug socket options as well. Next up, we'll go through and take a look at the bathroom that services these two bedrooms just on the left hand side here, that you'll see again has that fantastic finish that we've become so accustomed to as we've been going through the property. What we'll do next is we'll go back downstairs just to reconfirm what we have on the way down, and then what we'll do is we'll start to recap a few points on the property. So we're making our way back downstairs to the ground level, and on the way we'll start to just recap a few points on this property. Of course, this is a stunning 5-bedroom detached new build home spread over 3 floors, giving you an incredibly versatile range of living options. With the property you do of course have the garage with the electric door with the tiled flooring as well, and of course all of that off-road parking to the front. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us. So why not give us a call in the office, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.